Josh. In this video, I want to share with you how to figure out which is really your best video. And then I'm going to explain a little bit more of why it's a good idea to understand. What you need to do to find your best video is go to your YouTube studio and go down to Analytics. Click on Analytics. And one thing you can do is scroll down to see your top videos during this period based on views. In this case, the period is 28 days. However, you can change it to 90, 365, or lifetime, or for the past couple years, or even a month. For example, September, which was my best video during September. And you can see which videos were performing best. However, there's another way to judge your videos. You can click on Advanced Mode. And once again, you can see your videos in order of views, but you can also look at watch time hours, which are very important when it comes to the value of your videos. So it's not all about just views, but which videos are providing the best watch time. Click on watch time and take a look at which videos are still your very best. In this case, the same video ranks best in terms of watch time as well as views. But there's also another metric to consider in terms of your best video, and that is subscribers. Which videos are producing the most subscribers for your channel? In this case, it's a different video. How much does it cost to start a YouTube channel? And the second one is the video that was displayed before. Another option could be based on your ad revenue if you've applied for the partner program with YouTube. And you can also consider impressions. Impressions is an important metric for you to consider. Not only is it good for understanding which are your top videos that YouTube is showing, but also it can give you a hint as to which videos you may want to try to improve. So let's talk about that. So as you can see, there's more than one way to discover or evaluate which video is your best video. It depends on what you're trying to go after. Are you trying to go after more money, more subscribers, increase your watch time? And understanding which of your videos are doing best can help support you in deciding which video you should make next. Sometimes there's a lot of opportunity when you see a video with a lot of impressions but a low click-through rate. It means that YouTube is trying to get your video in front of more people to watch them. However, the video thumbnail or title or whatever it may be are not getting them to click. So maybe you can do a test and try to improve your title and thumbnail. Maybe try a new title, try a new thumbnail over a period of time. If you have a tool such as TubeBuddy, you could do an A/B test. You can also know which traffic sources are giving you your very best viewers. Which viewers are clicking at a high rate from, say, suggested or search, and which viewers are staying on your videos the longest. If people who are finding you in search are just clicking off and not staying very long, then maybe you want to focus your effort on the videos that people are considering in suggested or even browse features. Look for the best traffic source for you and create more videos based on your goals.